welcome back to my channel. This is Shivani here and I hope you guys are having a great time, and today I'm going to show you how to do beach waves. Yes guys, I'm super excited for it because मैंने खुद अपने बालों पे कभी भी beach waves नहीं करे, and this is the first time I'm going to do it. This is in front of you guys and I'm very nervous कि how are they going to look onto my head. Don't know. So today I'm having a special tool for this particular purpose and I'm going to test that tool, plus I am also going to do beach waves. So without further ado, let's dive in this video.
So this is the NUME 2-in-1 Pentacle wand guys, and it has a temperature display, so you can set your highest temperature to 410 degree Fahrenheit and the lowest being 140 degree Fahrenheit. Now यहाँ पे I'm going to unlock this tool and this will reveal these V-shaped plates which are for deep waving or any kind of waves that you want, and then you can close this tool via the same button and you will get this 45mm barrel for loose curls. That's awesome. And now I am going to pick up a section of my hair in order to start with my beach waves look. So I'm going to pick not too big, not too small section, and then I'm going to use this tool on my hair. So it's very simple. It's no technique. You have to just pick a section of your hair and you have to start using the tool and you're going to get the waves. Also guys, I have set the temperature of the tool at 210 degree Fahrenheit. So मैंने बहुत high temperature नहीं set किया है because I am very cautious about the kind of heat I apply to my hair. So I've set it low enough to get the style. So it's not very low, it's okay at the medium. Now the best part of the tool is that my hair does not get frizzy. So आपने notice किया होगा कि when you style your hair, at times they become very frizzy and you get this a kind of a weird look, but over here my hair is not becoming frizzy. It's getting this shiny look which I am totally loving. So this is it guys, this is how you have to do. You have to just keep on doing on your entire hair, and actually मैंने entire hair पे भी नहीं किया है because I want this beach wave look to be there. So I'm just going to pick up random sections and I'm going to do it. So it's not necessary for you to do every section of your hair. You have to just pick up random sections and you have to do it. That's it. This is super easy. Well, I'm almost done guys, and the sections which मुझे लग रहे थे they need to have a little bit more waves. I'm going to just redo those sections and that's it. And I'm going to open up my hair and this is my entire look. So it looks nice and voluminous. Also guys, this hairstyle is very well suited for people who have thin hair because you get volume into your hair and they look heavy and you get some weight. So you can see that my hair looks really nice and fluffy type of thing. I actually like this look. So this is it guys. I'm also going to leave everything about the NUME Pentacle wand in my description down below, so just go check it out there, see that whether this tool is for you or not. And this is my look. Hope you guys would have enjoyed it, and if you did, then do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'm going to see you guys in my next one. Till then, stay blessed and stay happy guys.